Hi guys, it's Joe. I just wanted to share with you this quick little, I guess, DIY project for my planner. So currently I'm in this clear A5 planner and it doesn't have any pockets on either flap. So one way that I created some storage is using this page protector right here to hold all my stickers that I'm currently using for the month. So here you can see it has all my stickers and die cuts, and it's coordinates with the current theme that I'm using for my planner. And this is the May April Little Bits kit from Mommy Lay. And I forgot to make one for my June, but I wanted to keep the stickers and die cuts for this theme together as well. So what I'm using is a sheet protector from Staples, and it measures 5.5 by 8, and it looks like this, and it's the perfect size for my A5 planner. It already has the holes, but obviously it doesn't line up. So what I do is get some washi tape, and this is the coordinating washi tape for this collection, and this is the April Little Bits kit. And all I do is basically, let me move this out of the way, cover the holes with washi. But you can see it doesn't go all the way to the top, but I go ahead and start at the top like so. Make sure to cover the holes. Flip it over and then just fold it. And just to make it more sturdy, I go ahead and do another layer, so it's a decent thickness when I punch the holes. Just try to line it up, and then one more time. And I'm not being stingy with the washi because you get a lot in any roll, and do we really finish one whole washi tape? We just end up hoarding it, but I don't mind using it. And then I just cut it off. This is just a little plastic sorting container that my friend Rena gave me. So that's what it looks like, and you see that I made it even at the top and bottom because the little tab starts right here. But anyway, so then I just go ahead and get a template for the holes, and then this is what came with my inserts that I got for the planner. So I just go ahead and line it up in the center. Just flip it over, and then I go ahead and punch my holes. This is the crocodile. I just used the larger hole setting, and then I just punch the holes. Yeah, it went through. Okay, get the other end. And one more. Okay, so there, those are all my holes. Get my planner. Just put this back. Okay, and then I have all my stickers, die cuts that I did not use. And then just stick it inside. And so there, now I have some storage. And just close this. And there you go. So that is my fast and easy solution to have some storage in this planner since it does not have any pockets. And I know people can make page markers with pockets, but I like this because it just holds everything in place and it's nice and large to fit, like I said, everything. And then I have one for my July as well, right there. And then this is for June. Okay, so that's my little DIY for my planner, and I just wanted to share with you guys, and thanks for watching. Bye.